Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to quickly set up a TP-Link router model Archer C20. Let's go start. Open any browser and type router default IP or tplinkwifi net into the address bar. Then, you can see the login pop-up window. The default username is admin, and create the new password to type here, and for your suitable password. Click Start. You can click Quick Setup to configure your router. Next, click. Choose Operation Mode in Router. Click Next, One Connection Type, and we are select the static IP. Put the IP address of the Internet Service Provider. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Wireless dual band selection, and I am use only 2.4G. Choose your name by the Wi-Fi router name provided here. Now security update or provided news security key. Then next click. Scroll down and to save click. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video.